new game I got, you know. Everybody's doing good. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. Check out this new gun I got. Yeah, some skin on that snizzle. There we go. I'm gonna catch some fuckers on fire. Whoa. What's up? That button out of the way. Alright, bitches. Let's go. Alright, snipe this motherfuckers. Headshot.
Peanut butter tribe it.
I got 2 of them on fire. Somebody kill them. Alright, nobody kill them. It's alright. It's all good. It's headshot city time.
Dude, I'm older than you. Can't believe it, dude. I'm 20.
Fucking butt lickers, dude.
Yeah, dude, I got held back 5.
Headshots.
Yeah, man.
God.
Why are you letting me play? Dude, you have 1 kill. Oh my god.
I about got him. Alright, let's go shotgunning. Yeah. Yeah, make a comeback. Bad.
Dude, I'm still beating you. You knife me, I'm still beating you. You're dead. Why can't you get it like a thing?
Oh, that was horse ass. Let's use our upgraded machine gun, see if it's any good.
Squares? Those are triangles. What are you talking about?
Oh no, I'll just use my the gun I bought earlier.
No, we're on the fifth floor.
Alright, we gotta snipe this asshole. Got him.
Dude, you still live with your mom.
Kill assist.
Horses balls, dude. You can't go down like that. Nope. Can't let that happen.
Your brother's playing?
What the hell? Alright, you guys want to fucking play cheap, huh? Okay. Other people can do that too, dude. If you want to do that. Oh, we got... Well, no, we don't got them. It's alright, though. I'll get him right here.
You have 0 kills. I have 100.
Fuck you guys, you bunch of cock-sucking son of a bitches. Fucking bastards. This goddamn motherfucker's lagging like a cocksucker. God damn, dude. Don't have fucking time to fuck with y'all. Son of a fucking bitch. I know I can do better than that shit. That was fucking lame, dude. And then my fucking shit. I mean, I'm not buying shit on this game. It's fucking gay. Let's check it out here. It's fucking better. It needs an upgrade. Yeah, a little bit of an upgrade on that battery. Oh yeah, we're definitely gonna upgrade this. Alright, let's check out our assault rifle here.
I'll go easy, man. But I know that would be good for you. That's okay. You said that, man.
What's up, Warlord 567, bruh? Trying out this new fucking game. It's kind of lagging right now. I might have to fucking charge my battery. Hell if I know. Thing is, you don't fucking actually aim at the people unless you have like a sniper rifle or some shit like that, you know?
Headshot.
Oh, good job fucking it up. You did a real good motherfucking job. Goddamn, seriously, guys. Good job, dude. You're a piece of fucking shit. Goddamn faggot. Nah, dude, you can't even fucking aim. I am about to delete this fuck shit. I gotta just point it at the fucking person. Doesn't make sense to me yet. I don't know.
Kill assist. Awesome.
But then I'm getting it. You have to like, I don't know, dude. Yeah, like this shit's weird. Alright, let's just do it.
Stop
Quit,
fucking cursing.
quit bitching about it.
No, what fucking dude?
No more cussing for me. Family friendly.
Stop. Stop.
Got him. Nice. Yeah, nice gun that can't fucking reach. I swear to God. If it was like COD, any other game, man. I'm about to slide in Pixel Gun 3D. This thing don't quit being lame as fizzle. 480p, shit. Yep. It's all good, dude. Yeah, my rifle catches them on fire. It was like $3.
Kill assist. Let's rock.
Oh, good job. Look how fast my shit. I do like the game. It's not a bad game.
Assist.
You get like 4 guns at once. Like, it's pretty cool. I got him though. Yep. 308. What's up?
You're laughing now, but I'm honestly gonna slam your face into the ground in this one. Alright, do that game if you want.
I got one of your bros though. Ha ha ha.
Kill assist. Headshot.
Don't do that, man. And I'm still gonna keep this.
Damn, not good.
Nice, guys. Think we lost. I don't know. I hope not. 'Cause I just did a pretty killer thing there at the end. Yeah, fucker.
I know, I said we're playing gun game. I said it very
Yeah, I got the top score on there. Oh no, we won.
Did you say the N-word? What the fuck?
Anybody wanna start a clan? Let's start one. I got one on Pixel Gun 3D. Need some help building my fucking castle, dude. I spent like, I don't know how much money on that bastard.
Looks like your internet isn't complete shit. Yeah, but you're shit at this game. Yeah, dude, I'm using aimbot. Dude, you get okay, fine. I'll go easy, man. Like, I know I'm too good for you, so it's okay. You already said that, man. Come on, man. You're so popular, man.
I'm not popular. I fucking...
You have no friends? Yeah.
You know what's up? You like my levels, whatever, that came with this gun? Pretty sick, right? You're a faggot. Okay, you guys want to play snipers? Man, not a good idea, dude. Let's pop your damn head off your shoulders.
Even though your butt means, yeah, I didn't think so. Your butt doesn't mean anything. You don't have a butt.
I have a button and you don't.
Are you really? Why am I
How's he?
Fantastic.
Let's.
You're not even giving him. You're just making make up a key yourself, like a normal key over here. Dude, it's about time you caught up. Jesus Christ.
You suck ass.
So why am I winning?
You swallow asshole. You swallow.
Don't make me. You know? Wow, look at that. Look you guys. You're trash.
I'll go on the good stuff you know.
Man. Oh, man, you can listen to my win. Where'd you just go?
Come on, guys, help me the fuck out, dude. Could be in a bunch of pussies. Goddamn, man.
Apologize for your thing.
Okay, I apologize for fucking your mom's ass.
Oh, man, look at you losing.
You said me. I said me.
See if this gun's any better. Where the hell? Yeah, that sucked ass.
There's mad that you can't beat him.
That was a horrible gun, dude.
Really? How am you were 0 points?
You said me back a bunch of times. Fuck you.
Well, maybe you weren't so bad, but what happened?
Kill assist. Headshot.
I am 80 years old.
Yeah, that's right. So,
I am 34.
bitch.
See what your accurate, boy. See what your accurate. I have twice your score. I have 84 score. Wow, look who can't you kill. Really, why am I winning? You suck asshole? You suck asshole.
They like my oven head. This is not PUBG whatsoever. Not even close. You don't even... You have to hold the crosshair on a certain amount of time and then it shoots it. It's very strange. Guns are cool as crap. A lot of customizable stuff, you know. I like that kind of stuff, you know.
Dude, speaking of pussy, wanna hear something?
I mean, you got guys that catch people on fire, you know. See? I'm not really aiming.
You're such a burly head.
Anybody gonna help me?
Stop saying N-word, okay?
Just gonna sit the fuck back and be a bunch of faggots. Let's use old Betty.
Dude, stop saying pussy.
Yeah, you can upgrade the damage and shit on the gun. You got skins, you got a lot of shit.
Yeah.
I think you even have a pro pepper skin. No shit.
Hello. What do you say, man?
Kill assist.
Your ass is sort of playing. It's good.
Oh yeah, you guys blow. My teammates suck, but they're alright.
Actually, you can hurt people yet, like, you know what it is. That's because you're a pussy. I'm not like it's against my religion.
Damn.
Got him.
Oh my god.
Kill assist.
Stop it. I don't want to. Wow.
Come on, somebody kill him, god damn. Man, they suck really bad. Holy fuck. I really didn't think my team sucks that fucking bad, dude. Like, damn. Alright, now y'all kill him. Yeah, come on, dude. Quit camping and shit.
Man.
Whoa. That's so lame, dude. I'm about to knock the piss out of these people playing. Yeah, but you're gonna die soon.
Hey, YouTube. Don't go anywhere.
Kill assist.
Nice job throwing a cheap ass grenade, dude. It's real cool.
Assist.
Who just killed my partner, dude? You little faggot ass.
No one cares what you have to say that.
Please.
Nobody cares about your mom.
Somebody kill him, dude. Bunch of queer babes.
Hey guys, from Pepper here. I got another Bible School showing video for you guys. Really fun, buddy. Final story. Go check them out. It'll be in the description. But we sold the rice from to get angry from and almost messing around. It was really funny. If you want more, make sure you drop a like. Let's more. That would be awesome. If you guys watching, you dick. I will poop on your mom. Dude, you hear this? They cursed at me. This dude is like 8 years old.
Me?
Yeah.
14.
Is that rice thing?
Yeah, Asian, not politics.
Listen, I think you can date me.
Oh, yeah.
No one cares if you say you're not
Awesome.
Y'all are not gonna win this one, sorry.
Kill assist.
No, you won't. You're gonna go in the second line.
Shit. We might, oh no. Wait, we might have won this one.
You have
Yes! What's up, bitch nigga? That's the shit I don't. Bust a cap in your ass, what y'all thinking, nigga? Yeah. Yeah. What's up, bitch boy? Let's see what we got in the case. Got a lame skulls. Let's get a free one. Fuck, I gotta take a whiz kid. Know what I mean, brah. Yeah, brah. There it is, PUBG Mobile. Garbage. But I don't think anybody's gonna be playing that except on the PC. 'Cause that's fucking lame. I guess. I don't know. Warlord, tell me how it is, bro. Fuck. Alright, sorry about that, everybody. This motherfucking do this, dude. Teammates blow. Fuck they at work, see? Shit. Now we got snipe dicks. There's a bunch of those in this game. I'm gonna fucking quit, cause Lame as all fucking shit, dude. Yeah, boy, what's up, motherfuckers? Hey, I'm trying to walk downstairs. Fucking asshole.
Easy. Killing spree. Double kill. Triple kill.
Bitch, nigga, yeah, right. I'll fucking smack your goddamn shit right, motherfucker. Alright, let's try an upgraded machine gun. This is the machine guns. Weird, huh? See how good it is, upgraded a little bit. Well, that thing sucks ass compared to my fucking fire breathing bullets. I'm fucking losing? Are you serious, guys?
Kill assist. Big bada boom.
Alright, you can't write something that you can just do. Rice gun. So like, how long have you been a girl for? You're not even 10 years old. Taco, get him, man.
I'm sorry, my favorite.
You're the one with the back.
You dropped me down to 0.
Hey, man. That's my miss. Get it, go get it.
Oh, I swear to God.
Headshot.
No! This dude punches me one more time! I'm gonna knock the crap out of you!
Boom-tastic.
The left or right gun.
Easy.
Go, man. Wait. Okay, everyone do left or right gun. Don't let him get
Oh, you guys are trying to get ahead, huh? Alright, you guys are being serious, eh? We won. What's up? Because I shot that dude a couple times. Yeah, boy. New level, what's up? Maybe some grenades, yeah. Very nice, very nice. Oh, what's this? That shotgun's a beast, though. Fuck. There we go. Upgrade the jack a little bit, you know. $3,600 to upgrade my armor again. Yeah, boy. One dude was using a freaking Mamba and I still ripping. Let's go to battle. Some new armor and stuff. Hope you guys are enjoying this game. It's not bad. Guns of Boom or whatever, you know. It's not bad. I like it. It's pretty comical, kinda. Takes quite a bit of strategy, but you know. But shit, he didn't die. What the fuck? See? Goddamn low battery, you're fucked.
What are you laughing at? You tickling yourself? Fucking weird.
Kill assist. Headshot. Kill assist.
He's joking off.
Kill assist.
I couldn't see shit. I don't know how to zoom back out. It's all good though. Let's just use our where the fuck this is. I don't know.
Headshot.
Yeah, that's right. Fucking done. Alright, let's win this shit.
Kill assist.
I need to get some med kits so I don't die in battle. That's one thing I'm like gonna get involved in.
Go.
Fucking dead, dude. Alright, shotgun Jimmy time. Shouldn't have fucked with him. Here we go.
Kill assist. Kill
Don't
assist.
mess with me in shotgun, dude.
Kill assist.
Suck. Alright, no fucking sniping.
Kill assist. Kill assist.
What up? What up, Foxy Sex, man? random game? I don't know. Guns of Boom.
Boom time.
Showing these little kids how to play games, I guess. I did throw a grenade. They don't blow up if you die though, so that's pretty cool. That's one thing I actually do like about this game. Hey, get off my brother. Oh, you're done.
Kill.
Don't let me get a double kill. Don't make me do it. I don't have any mids. Zeros. Okay. Double barrel shotgun. All up your ass. Shove it up your ass. There we go. I'm gonna shove this thing up its butt, dude. Oh, come on, guys. Did we win? Yeah, we did. Of course we did. Oh, we got a buffalo gun. Let's open a case. Check it out. Fucking zebra. It's lame as hell. Alright. Oh no. There it is, the buffalo. Nice. There we go. Very nice. Got us a new gun. About to go to the store, come back and play some more. If you guys want to join my clan on Pixel Gun 3D, we'll play some Siege later. Let's check this piece of crap out. This is the gun I just got for reaching level 6.
Kill assist.
Yeah, piss on that gun. What the fuck?
Kill assist.
Shot him. God bless, almost got his fucking ass. I think I need a shotgun for this one. Ready for the shotgun to be pulled the fuck out right now. Here we go.
Kill assist. Damn, I'm good.
What's up?
Combo breaker.
Fuck with me, let's go. Now I got some dude's fucking gun here. Oh, it's worth the shit.
Killing spree. Holy shit.
You're lucky I didn't see your ass. Alright. These guys are a little harder than normal. So I might just have to use my... Yeah, you guys suck an asshole.
Damn, I'm good.
You guys suck, dude. You're getting fucking killed left and right. Got him. Got him. What's up? Fucking gayest hat I've ever seen. Alright.
Kill assist. Kill assist.
I think we got it. No, we fucking lost. You guys suck assholes. So pissed. You guys suck. Wee wee. I'm gonna fucking shot with you guys.
Kill assist.
Dude, this thing's pretty sick.
Get off of her.
Double kill.
Man, this gun is not bad at all. Here you go, bud. Take your grenade and shove it up your fucking asshole. There's something going on with the fucking scoring and shit. Alright. You guys wanna mess around, fuck around, whatever. Dead, bitch. Fucking shut your mouth, whore. Alright, I'm gonna whip out the goddamn shotgun since these motherfucking posers ain't killing a motherfucking thing. Maybe I'll be able to beat it with a fucking shotgun. Fucking idiot. Hey, look, somebody helped me out. Oh my god. I thought I was gonna have to do that kind of shit. I didn't really want to. Headshot, cocksuck. Bitch. Get him, guys. Get the fucking asshole. Shoot the motherfucker. I just got him down. I don't know how much health.
Wow, guys, look, I'm on the top of the leaderboard. What's really nice to do today I have part 2 to my video of the Real Angry Kid I told about. If you guys really enjoyed that, give me 3,000 likes on the video. Here's the part 2 to that video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you make sure to drop a like. Let's look for 69 likes in this video. Link if you enjoy. And also make sure to follow me on Twitter. I need followers. That Twitter is at Anyways,
Kill assist.
thanks for watching. Peace. I'll never.
Yeah, you're a douchebag for doing that one. But whatever. We fucking lost again, guys. God damn you. If I keep fucking losing, I'm gonna get pissed off because the goddamn is down. It's making my trophy look like a douche.
You can't do anything right
Fucking dumbasses.
now. Hey, dude, look at you. You're dying again. Wow, I'm so proud of you. Yo,
Yeah, I want to get this fucking shotgun.
Who cares? I have 41 kills. Oh, I'm in second place. Yeah, shut up.
Try, dude. Try it. You just can't stop losing it.
There we go. We got the badass shotgun, guys. Everybody happy? Fuck yeah. I am.
What, man?
Let's go.
You gonna race for it?
They want to fuck with me? Now I got a $4 shotgun.
You race with it.
I will be beating this fucking game. I go all out. Oh, fuck off.
Yeah.
I am death.
Finally,
Now.
Your first kill of the game, man.
Let's check it out. Oh, God. Yeah, what's up?
Yeah, dude.
You guys got one of these? I didn't think so. Let's see.
Man, that's not nice. Well, you're not. You're not nice. Why not, man? You don't have any fun.
Well, that was a waste of money, probably.
What?
I don't goddamn know.
Oh shit, dude, I thought you were hit. Alright, dude, melee the other one. Melee the guy that's streaming.
It's a pretty sick gun, though. I'm sure if I upgraded a little bit, it'd be sick shotgun.
You already know, man. I mean, listen to you. You just scream. Yo, so, what were you saying about YouTube videos?
Trying to freaking do bloody yeah.
Yeah, dude, you know what? You know what, man? Guess who made subscribe? If you're an ambitious guy, stop watching more YouTube videos. You think the top guys in the planet are you from YouTube? Listen, I'm Jason Gabriel. The same video, you already know about my best-selling audio.
It's like one shot, one kill. Almost, dude. Things lagging a little bit. Not a big deal. God. No wonder I can't shoot a damn thing.
Kill assist.
Yeah, dude, it's about ridiculous.
Boom time.
Oh, Jesus Christ. That was beast as shit. Yeah, boy. Hell yeah, dude.
By the way, we just added 5 free new bonuses.
You're fucking retarded, dude, on this goddamn. I gotta charge a fucking phone. Oh, come on, dude. Yeah, but somebody else is gonna kill you. It's alright. Am I gonna be able to make it through this fucking round? Damn. It's lagging because I have 10% battery. But,
Kill assist.
go check out my YouTube, subscribe.
Let's rock.
Yeah, let's rock. I want somebody else, make some points for us here. Alright, time to whip out the scar. And I don't want to fucking pull out. No, it's going way too damn slow.
You know what, man? Guess how many subscribers I have.
How many? 0?
70,000. You guys rolled. Say, guys, the camera's right there. Say you guys rolled.
Fuck you, dude. Fuck this goddamn shit. Wait until I fucking plug it up, dude. Bastards are gonna get fucked. You see how laggy this shit is right now? It's really starting to piss me off because I can't fucking aim. Yeah, backing the fuck out. Go check out my YouTube and shit. I'm gonna get the fuck off this game here in a minute. 30 seconds left of this bullshit. Somebody else kill his goddamn ass. Fucking retarded ass.
Man, you finally got your first kill, dude. Good job.
God damn, you guys suck dick. Motherfucking big fat black ass dick, motherfucker. I'm just kidding. That was a joke. Alright, I'm gonna go to the store and get some fucking food. I'm not a badass shotgun though, so. Might get this when I get back.